Hi, this is a demo for your Transforming Legal Intake with AI-powered automation. Now let's get into it. In this single demo, you get to see an entire client's journey, from a lead filling out a form on your website to a signed retainer, an active case file, an insurance claim being followed up, all happening automatically in real time right in front of you. Now, let's get into it. Now, here's the reality that most law firms are living with right now. You guys are simply losing leads because there's no one to get back to your clients fast enough. Let's say a form comes in after hours. It sits until the morning, and by then, the client has already hired someone else. And when the staff does follow up, that's a 45 to 60-minute call per intake. Same questions every time, then paperwork to do, and insurance companies to call. The system handles all of that for you in real time. Now let's see a demonstration of this. Now I, as your lead, will fill out this form right here. It requires all of the key details that you guys need to know before your intake call. Now after I submit this, within 2 minutes, the agent will call me. And as soon as I submit, it does a qualification check. It will see if the form has the right jurisdiction, if it's within the same statute of limitation, if there are any other parties at fault, and this case clears all three. So let's see it in action. Now we wait for the call. Okay, so I'm getting a call from the agent.
Hi, is this Ben?
Yes.
Hi, Ben. This is Alex from Law Firm. I'm calling about the injury inquiry you submitted online. Do you have a minute to chat?
Yes.
Great. To get started, are you a new client or an existing client with our firm?
I'm a new client.
Thank you for confirming. I have your first name as Ben. Is that correct?
Yes.
And your last name is Parker. Is that correct?
Yes.
Is this a good number to reach you at if we need anything else from you moving forward?
Yes, it is.
I have your email as abdullah.shahid@codexalabs.com. Is that correct?
Yes.
What type of case is this? For example, was it a car accident, a truck accident, or a slip and fall?
It's a car accident.
Thank you. How did you hear about our office?
Through a friend.
Got it, thank you. Was this accident within the last 2 years?
Yes.
What was the exact date of the accident?
February 10th, 2026.
Thank you for sharing that. Just to confirm, the accident occurred on February 10th, 2026, correct?
Yes.
Where did the accident happen?
It happened on...
The street address, city and state.
Sure. It happened on 5th Avenue and 42nd Street, New York.
Could you clarify if York refers to New York or another location? Also, if possible, please include the state abbreviation.
New York, NY.
Thank you for clarifying. So, the accident occurred on 5th Avenue in New York, NY. Is that correct?
Yes.
Could you give me a brief description of what happened during the accident?
Oh, yeah. I was taking my car out of the parking lot and another driver came and hit me.
Thank you for sharing that. Based on what you described, it sounds like the other driver was at fault. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
Were you a passenger in the vehicle that was found at fault?
No.
Were you physically injured in the accident?
Yes.
I am so sorry to hear that. Can you please describe your injuries?
I have back and neck pain.
Thank you for sharing that. Did you seek medical treatment?
Yes. I went to an ER visit, plus I have ongoing therapy.
Thank you for sharing that. When did you receive medical treatment?
On the same day.
Where did you go for medical treatment?
I went to an ER visit.
Thank you for providing that information. I'll now evaluate your qualification for our services. Please hold on for a moment. I've just sent the retainer agreement to your email. Would you like to complete it together now while I guide you step by step, or would you prefer to review it later?
I would like to fill it out now.
Great. Let's go through the retainer agreement together. First, please check your email for a message from Scarlett via DocuSign. If you don't see it in your inbox, please check your spam or junk folder. Let me know once you've found it.
Okay, I found it.
Great. Please open the email and click the button labeled Review Document. Let me know when the document opens in a new browser tab.
Yeah, it opened.
Wonderful. Please take a moment to briefly review the document contents. Once you're ready, click the Start button located at the top left of the document. Let me know once you've done that.
Okay, I've pressed the Start button.
Great. The next button on the left will guide you to each required signature or initial. When you click the first initial or signature field, you'll be able to select, draw, or upload a signature. After that, click Adopt an Initial. Let me know once you've completed this step.
I just did.
Perfect. Now, continue clicking each highlighted initial or signature field, and then click the Next button to move through the document. Once you've completed all the required fields, click the Finish button at the top right. Let me know when you're done. I'm ready to help whenever you are.
Okay, I'm done.
Take your time. Let me know when you've clicked the Finish button, and I'll confirm everything for you.
Okay, I just pressed the Finish button.
Perfect. Thank you. I see you've completed the retainer agreement. I just have a few more questions to finish your intake. Were the police involved in the accident?
No.
Well, what is the name of your auto insurance provider?
It's United Healthcare?
Thank you. Has a claim already been opened with your insurance?
Yes.
What is your policy number?
My policy number is UHC-7741023.
Thank you. And what is the claim number?
The claim number is 2026-00847.
Thank you for providing that. Do you know the name of the at-fault party's insurance company?
Yes.
Great. Could you please provide the name of the at-fault party's insurance company?
It's Progressive?
Thank you. Has a claim been opened with the at-fault party's insurance?
Yes.
Do you have the at-fault party's policy number?
I do.
Great. Could you please provide the at-fault party's policy number?
Sure. It's PRG-3392810.
Thank you. Do you have the claim number for that policy?
Yes, it's 2026-01193.
Thank you for that information. Has the at-fault party's insurance accepted liability?
I'm not sure. But yes, they have actually.
That's good to know. Do you have health insurance?
Yes, I do.
Could you please provide the name of your health insurance provider?
Yeah, it's United Healthcare.
Thank you. Have you missed work due to your injuries?
Yes, I have.
Where do you work?
I work at a garage.
Approximately how much income have you lost due to missing work?
I'll say about 1,200.
Thank you. Has any insurance company already paid you any money related to this accident?
No.
Thank you for confirming. Have you had any prior injury cases, such as a car accident, slip and fall, or workers' compensation claim?
No.
Do you currently have an attorney representing you for this accident?
Yes, I do.
Can you tell me why you're consulting another attorney?
I would just like to know my options.
Thank you for sharing that. Was anyone else in the vehicle with you at the time of the accident?
No, I was alone.
Thank you so much for your time today, Ben. We have everything we need to move forward. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thanks for your time.
Okay, so that was the first part of the call. That was the intake process, the entire intake process with the agent. And after this, there's going to be 2 more calls, one with the insurance and the other with the guilty party's insurance. So let's wait for those calls.
Hi, this is Alex calling from the law offices of law firm. I'm contacting you to open or verify a third-party bodily injury claim involving your insured. Could you assist me with that?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Could you please provide the claim number associated with this incident?
Sure, it's 2026-00847.
Got it. Thank you. Could you also provide the name of the adjuster handling this claim?
It's Daniel Blake.
Thanks for that. Can you confirm if Daniel Blake handles bodily injury, property damage, or both?
He does both.
Perfect. Could you please provide a contact phone number for Daniel Blake?
Sure, it's 212-555-0134.
Thank you. Does Daniel have an email address I can use to contact him?
Yeah, it's danielblake@gmail.com.
Thanks for providing that. Could you also share a fax number if available?
Yeah, it's 212-555-0198.
Thank you for all the information. Please direct all bodily injury communications to our office. Have a great day.
Okay.
Thanks for your time.
So that was the call with the insurance firm. And I would like to also show you that my case has been approved. I get a welcome letter from your firm. I also get the retainer agreement that I signed over the call, just so I can have it on file. It all includes my initials, the signature that I did. And all of this is done by the agent autonomously. So let's wait for the third call.
Hi, this is Alex calling from the law offices of law firm. I'm calling to open or verify a third-party bodily injury claim involving your insured. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with today?
It's Matthew Kent.
Thank you, Matthew. Could you please provide me with the claim number for this incident?
Sure. It's 2026-01193.
Thank you for that. Could you confirm the name of the adjuster assigned to this claim?
It's actually me, Matthew Kent.
Great, Matthew. Can you confirm if you are handling BI, PD, or both for this claim?
Both.
Thank you for confirming that. Could you please provide me with your contact phone number?
Sure. It's 718-555-0276.
Thank you. Could you also provide your email address?
Yeah, it's matthewkent@gmail.com.
Got it. Thank you for providing that information, Matthew. We appreciate your assistance today. Please direct all bodily injury communications to our office. Have a great day.
Okay, thanks.
Thanks for your time.
Okay, so that was all three of the agents. And let me just show you. You might be asking yourself that while the agent is doing all this work for you, what are we actually doing? Well, you're keeping an eye on the agent. The agent updates you throughout the case. The agent first sent me the retainer agreement, and it shows right here that I signed the agreement, that the agreement was signed by the attorney, and everything else. Now, what does this automation actually does for you? Now, as you've seen for yourself, new leads will never have to wait. Even if they call after hours, the agent will respond within minutes. And before, your staff spent about 45 to 60 minutes on every single intake call. Now the agent does that for you. Your data capturing consistency will negate itself. Your retaining signing requirements, separate follow-up steps, too many calls, all of that will be handled by the agent from now on. Your case creation, you also create a case that you will see for yourself on Slack updates. Other than that, it will just insurance follow-ups and everything else. So I hope this demo was helpful to you. Thank you.